Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like gold USD, GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD JPY in front of us. As you can see, we have few lines on the chart. First of all, I would like to talk about the resistance of 114. Okay, 114 and the top is the most important resistance for the chart of USD JPY right now. And at the bottom, the most important support for the chart of USD JPY is 112.40. Yes, 112.40 to 112.50. This is a important support or most important support zone for USD JPY. Whereas this is the important resistance zone for the USD JPY. But if we observe the chart carefully right now, then we can see that we do not have any proper trend here in the market. This is a very good example of a choppy market. Okay, you can see we do not have any particular trend here. If I take you to the 1-hour chart, then also we get the same picture. We can see that right now market is extremely sideways flat. So to be honest, if you're looking for a trending market, if you're looking for a big profit, if you're planning to ride a trend here, then this is not the chart for you. This is not the pair for you. But if you are looking for some trade for scalping purpose or for day trading purpose, then you may get a few opportunities here. The first opportunity is 113.30. This is a minor support for USD JPY, not a minor. Okay, considering the present sideways market, yes, you can take a buy position at 113.30 if market bounces. Okay, if market bounces from particular this level, you can take a buy position. But keep in mind the strongest support on the chart of USD JPY is at 112.50 to 112.40. This is the most important support zone. And on the other hand, if USD JPY goes up, then obviously 114 is the most reliable level to short the market. But right now we do not have much movement in the chart, therefore there is a possibility of market reversing from 113.80 level as well. So if market goes up and reverses from 113.80 level, you can also take a sell position. So these two are the only opportunities that I see on the chart of USD JPY for today. In case it goes up and reverses from 114 level, take a sell. If it comes down to the level of 112.5040 level, if it bounces, you can take a buy. Okay, so these are the levels for the chart of USD JPY that I see right now. Apart from these levels, market is sideways, so be careful. Okay, and always keep in mind that sideways market means number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. As a result, nobody is dominating the market. Okay, and whatever you do, okay, if you're buying at support or selling at resistance, always wait for proper confirmation. Proper confirmation means if you're taking a sell position at a resistance, wait for a shooting star pattern or a pin bar or price being rejected from above. Or if you're buying at the support, wait for price being rejected from below, hammer pattern or something like that, so that you do not make a silly mistake. Okay, because always keep in mind that support and resistance levels are not permanent. As a result, trading with proper confirmation is essential. Hopefully you've understood. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Plus I also share 1 or 2 live signals each and every day. Apart from signals and trading opportunities, I do many things. If you're interested, just go to my website avilashhajarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.